Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your portfolio in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into portfolios, then tap on the one that we already created, and here in the top right corner we find three dots, sorry. We can tap on that and we can tap on share afterwards. Here we can get the link of the portfolio, and we can just tap on copy URL, or we can select an app through which we want to share it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.